remember your home?
I remember when they rowed us away from shore.
Shore, shore.
I remember when they rowed us away from shore. I remember when they rowed us away from shore. How white the beaches were.
Beach, beach.
How white the beaches were. Kill the masters.
Kill the
Master, master.
Kill the masters.
Kill the
You're a rare talent. When you're fighting.
Talent, talent.
A rare talent. When you're fighting.
To tell you the truth, this isn't so bad. 4 walls, a pot to piss in.
Pot, pot.
4 walls, a pot to piss in. Oh, 4 walls, a pot to piss in. I was chained to a wooden post, covered in my own shit.
Wooden, wooden.
I was chained to a wooden post, covered in my own shit.
As for Cersei, well, she's probably working on a way to avoid a trial altogether by having me killed.
Now that you
All together, all together.
To avoid a trial altogether by having me killed.
Now that you
I've been in the Vale for weeks.
I know it was you.
And who helped me with this conspiracy?
Conspiracy, conspiracy.
And who helped me with this conspiracy?
You used him to get me out of King's Landing, but you would never trust him to kill the king.
Why not?
Because you're too smart to trust a drunk.
And
Smart, smart.
why not?
Because you're too smart to trust a drunk.
And
Power, Joffrey made you the Lord of Harrenhal.
A man with no motive is a man no one suspects. Always keep your fool.
Motive, motive.
A man with no motive is a man no one suspects. Always keep your fool.
If they catch you, they'll put your head on a spike, just like my father's. You'd risk that just to confuse them.
Confuse, confuse.
You'd risk that just to confuse them.
Everything. My friendship with the Lannisters was productive, but Joffrey.
Productive, productive.
My friendship with the Lannisters was productive, but Joffrey. I don't want friends like me. My new friends are predictable, very reasonable people. As for what happened.
Reasonable, reasonable.
Very reasonable people. As for what happened. Very reasonable people. As for what happened to Joffrey, well, that was something my new friends wanted very badly. Nothing.
Badly, badly.
That was something my new friends wanted very badly. Nothing.
Have you been to see Tommen yet? No. Have they even agreed to the match? No one tells me anything.
Match, match.
Have they even agreed to the match? No one tells me anything.
Rather distracted at the moment, mourning her dear departed boy. Accusing her brother of his murder, which he didn't.
Accuse, accuse.
Accusing her brother of his murder, which he didn't.
I believe you. We'll go hunting for rabbits one day. Right now, watch and learn.
Rabbit, rabbit.
We'll go hunting for rabbits one day. Right now, watch and learn.
Go on, do it. You traitor's bastard. Give me an excuse. Norman's not here.
excuse, excuse,
Give me an excuse. Norman's not here.
Brought you up here. A sense of duty. I wanted to do my part for the safety of the realm.
realm, realm,
To do my part for the safety of the realm. Stupid enough to get caught. Chose the wool over losing my hand. Figured I wouldn't have to suck up to any highborn cunts here.
suck, suck,
Figured I wouldn't have to suck up to any highborn cunts here.
Your Grace. How formal of you.
formal, formal,
How formal of you. I've been wondering for months, ever since that great cow brought you back to the capital.
Cow, cow,
Ever since that great cow brought you back to the capital.
Hello, aren't you a proper fellow?
That's a pounce.
fellow, fellow,
Hello, aren't you a proper fellow?
That's a pounce. That's a pounce.
Very handsome.
handsome, handsome,
Very handsome.
I don't think I am.
That's a relief.
relief, relief,
That's a relief. Remember our little secret.
secret, secret,
Our little secret.
Of course you do.
He'll slow me down.
My brother owes me a debt. He's not safe here. You'll be keeping him from harm.
oh, oh,
Brother owes me a debt. He's not safe here. You'll be keeping him from harm. Brother owes me a debt. He's not safe here. You'll be keeping him from harm. It's chivalry.
I won't slow you down, sir.
slow, slow,
Won't.
Get my strength back so I could go and find him. I wish I could have convinced him to come back with me.
convince, convince,
I wish I could have convinced him to come back with me.
Accept.
accept, accept,
Accept.
You think Bran might have found...
No. I don't mean to interrupt. Thorn.
interrupt, interrupt,
Don't mean to interrupt. Thorn.
Foray to Craster's Keep. I'll sanction it. But
sanction, sanction,
sanction it. But
Going to capture the mutineers holed up there. Or kill them. I'm asking for volunteers to come with me.
volunteer, volunteer,
I'm asking for volunteers to come with me. I'm asking for volunteers to come with me. There's 60 miles of wilderness between here and Craster's. And
wilderness, wilderness,
There's 60 miles of wilderness between here and Craster's. And But we have to do this. Our survival may depend on us getting to these
survival, survival,
Our survival may depend on us getting to these I can't let a recruit come north of the wall.
Let me say my vow.
recruit, recruit,
can't let a recruit come north of the wall. Let me say my vow.
You look like a fucking ballsack. Ugly, look at your stupid cunt face. I could piss it.
ugly, ugly,
Look at your stupid cunt face. I could piss it. How much they pay me to kill a man in King's Landing? 7 silvers.
silver, silver,
7 silvers.
Summer, he's hurt. They've caught him in a trap. Who? I didn't see, but they have my brother's wolf.
wolf, wolf,
I didn't see, but they have my brother's wolf.
This is nice. Fine leather.
leather, leather,